Why your brain has never experienced reality, exactly as it is. What if everything you've ever seen was already edited before you became aware of it? Right now, you believe you're looking directly at the world, the room around you, your phone, your hands, the people you love. It all feels immediate, objective, real. But according to one of the most influential ideas in modern neuroscience, your brain doesn't simply observe reality. It constructs the version of reality you experience. Imagine watching a movie with thousands of missing frames. You would expect a broken, confusing mess. Yet your brain performs something remarkably similar every second, and you never notice. Your eyes constantly send incomplete and noisy information to your brain. Light enters the eye. It strikes the retina. Electrical signals travel toward the visual cortex. But those signals are only fragments. They are not reality itself. Somehow, from this incomplete data, your brain creates an entire world. That is the first WTF moment. You don't actually see reality. You see your brain's best interpretation of it. One of the leading ideas explaining this is called predictive processing. Instead of waiting for information to arrive, your brain continuously predicts what it expects to see next. Reality becomes a conversation. Your senses provide evidence. Your brain provides expectations. Every fraction of a second, those two are compared. If reality matches the prediction, your brain barely needs to update anything. Only surprises force it to pay closer attention. Think about driving a familiar route. Most of the journey feels effortless. Your brain predicts almost everything before it happens. But the instant a child runs into the road, your attention explodes. Prediction failed. Reality suddenly matters again. Scientists often describe this idea using Bayesian brain theory. The name sounds complicated. The principle is surprisingly simple. Your brain constantly combines what it already believes with new incoming evidence. It calculates what is most likely happening, not necessarily what is happening. Wait, what? Your experience of the present is partly a probability calculation, and your eyes reveal just how much guessing is involved. Every human eye contains a blind spot, a place where the optic nerve leaves the retina. There are no light-sensitive cells there, no image is detected at all. Logically, you should see a black hole floating in your vision, but you don't. Your visual cortex quietly fills in the missing information using the surrounding scene. You have spent your entire life looking through a hole that your brain refuses to show you. Another WTF moment. You have never seen your own blind spot, not because it isn't there, but because your brain edits it out before you become aware of it. Now think about color. It feels obvious. Red is red, blue is blue, green is green. Except, color doesn't actually exist inside objects. Objects simply reflect certain wavelengths of light while absorbing others. Your brain converts those wavelengths into the experience we call color. The redness of an apple is not sitting inside the apple. It exists as an experience created inside your nervous system. Different lighting changes those wavelengths constantly, yet the apple still appears red. Your brain corrects for changing illumination automatically, without asking permission, without telling you. It quietly stabilizes reality. The same thing happens with motion. Your eyes jump rapidly several times every second in movements called saccades. During these jumps, visual information becomes blurred. Instead of letting you experience that blur, your brain suppresses much of it and stitches together a stable world. Your reality is less like a live security camera and more like a movie edited in real time. Frames removed, colors corrected, missing pieces filled in. Predictions constantly updated. Think about reading these words. You feel as though your eyes glide smoothly across the page. They don't. They stop, jump, stop, jump. Your brain hides the interruptions so well that reading feels continuous. Another unsettling realization. Much of what feels immediate is actually reconstructed milliseconds later. By the time you're consciously aware of the world, your brain has already interpreted it, filtered it, compared it with memories, predicted what should happen next, corrected errors, and only then presents the finished experience to your conscious mind. Perhaps this is why optical illusions are so powerful. They don't trick your eyes. They reveal the assumptions your brain normally keeps hidden. Illusions expose the predictions that usually help you survive. Most of the time, those predictions are astonishingly accurate. Without them, the world would be overwhelming. You wouldn't recognize faces instantly. You couldn't catch a falling object. You couldn't understand speech in a noisy room. Prediction isn't a flaw. It's one of the greatest achievements of evolution. But it comes with an extraordinary consequence. The world you experience is never raw reality. It is reality interpreted, edited, simplified, reconstructed every single moment. And maybe that's the deepest mystery of all. If every conscious experience has already been shaped by your brain before you become aware of it, then no human being has ever experienced objective reality exactly as it is, only the version their mind could build. If this changed the way you look at the world around you, subscribe. Every single day, we uncover another hidden truth about reality, science, space, and the human mind.